Hi, welcome back to Jones Clan back in a caravan. Yes, I've been busy. Very, very, very busy. We've put out a video on window blinds part 2. And also I have installed 4 downlighters with twin USB chargers into the front lounge, so giving you that swivel down to the side and they're dimmable. So yeah, so I'll show you them. The installation was just a matter of 2 spade connectors and screwing it to the mounting. Yeah, that's about it. I left the original switch, although they do have individual switches on the units. I left the original isolator in because it just wouldn't cover up the holes. I thought, well, just leave it like that. So see what you think, and I'll put a link in the description to where we purchased them. Okay, enjoy. But also, you can just see there, fitted some downlighters as well, swivelable and dimmable. Just see them there. Yeah, so she's had a few upgrades while she's been in storage for the winter. So that's 6 downlighters that we've now got installed, 4 in the front lounge and 2 in the rear bedroom above each sort of sleep position. So yeah, we got quite a few USBs now. We're looking at about 12 USB inputs or outputs, and 2 on the front binnacle. Yeah, so that's quite a hefty amount of USBs for a Swift Sprite. So yeah, with the dimmable lights, yeah, quite an upgrade, I think, from the standard down lighter. So if you like this, give us the old thumbs up. Whee! And remember, please subscribe. It helps the channel in a big way, and unlike a lot of things these days, it's free. It'd be nice if you hit the bell icon on getting notifications for our videos, and when you hit the bell icon, the little box drops down, hit the all, and that'll be you done and dusted. So remember to subscribe is the good one. So TTFN, see you soon.